In the next 24 months, an unprecedented 1.4 million US jobs face direct risk from artificial intelligence. Already, 41% of employers are planning workforce reduction specifically due to AI implementation. Technology, human resources, and finance sectors stand among the hardest-hit industries in this rapidly accelerating displacement crisis. These numbers represent real people losing livelihoods as AI technologies rapidly transform the workplace at an unprecedented pace. The data shows we're not discussing a future crisis, we're in the middle of one. 806,000 private sector cuts. Job cuts announced in just the first 7 months of 2025 indicate a widespread impact across the private sector. 77,999 AI eliminations. A substantial number of jobs have already been eliminated by direct AI implementation in 2025. 36% YoY increase. There has been a significant growth in AI-driven job cuts within the tech sector compared to the previous year, 2024. Daily impact. 491 people lose their jobs to AI every single day in 2025. Current acceleration. Tech, HR, and customer service roles being automated at record pace. Mid-2026 projection. 1.4 million jobs at direct risk within the next 12 months. The speed of this transition is unlike anything we've seen in previous technological revolutions. What once took decades is now happening in months. 41% of global employers intend to downsize their workforce due to AI implementation. Major corporations are leading this workforce transformation, with significant investments in AI automation that directly replaces human roles. Microsoft, accelerating automation across software development. IBM, replacing entire HR departments with AI systems. Meta, implementing AI for content moderation and analytics. Amazon, automating customer service and logistics management. Over 89,000 tech job cuts. The technology sector experienced its highest total layoffs in 2025 since the 2020 pandemic, indicating a widespread crisis. 6,000 Microsoft layoffs. May 2025 saw significant cuts at Microsoft, with 40% directly impacting software engineering positions. 17,000 IBM total cuts. IBM eliminated 8,000 HR jobs and plans an additional 9,000 cuts across various divisions due to automation. The technology sector, once a reliable source of job growth, is now leading in workforce reductions as companies implement the very AI tools they've created. Even highly skilled technical positions are not immune to this wave of automation. HR functions most at risk. Recruiting and candidate screening. Payroll processing and benefits administration. Employee onboarding and documentation. Performance management systems. Scheduling and administrative coordination. Case study: IBM's replacement of 8,000 HR positions with AI agents has become the template other corporations are following. Administrative assistants now rank among the top 10 most automatable roles, with entire departments being consolidated or eliminated. Accountancy automation. Automated systems are now handling bookkeeping, tax preparation, and financial reporting, reducing the need for human accounting staff. AI-driven financial analysis. Sophisticated AI systems are analyzing market trends, portfolio performance, and identifying investment opportunities with high accuracy. Automated loan processing. Loan approval systems are increasingly using AI to evaluate applications, often without human review, streamlining the process. Meta has already cut 5% of its workforce with significant impact on finance teams. Top banks are rapidly deploying AI for compliance monitoring and customer service functions, traditionally stable employment areas. Amazon Devices Division. Over 100 jobs eliminated as AI chatbots take over customer support functions. Retail transformation. Automated checkout systems and AI-powered customer assistants replacing traditional roles. Call centers. Massive reductions in call center staff as conversational AI handles customer inquiries. The retail and customer service sectors, traditional entry points to the workforce for many, are seeing some of the fastest adoption of AI replacement technologies. Top 5 most vulnerable roles. Data entry specialists, telemarketers, HR specialists, tax preparers, legal assistants. Common risk factors. Routine, repetitive tasks. Data-driven decision-making. Rule-based processes. Limited creative input. Minimal interpersonal dynamics. Microsoft's comprehensive study identified 40 job categories most likely to be replaced by AI in the next 24 months. The common thread: predictable, repetitive work with clearly defined parameters. IBM eliminates 8,000 HR jobs as AI takes over personnel management. Microsoft cuts 6,000 positions in May AI integration push. Amazon Devices division replaces support team with AI chatbots. Meta announces 5% workforce reduction citing AI efficiencies. These are not predictions or warnings, these are actual headlines from 2025 showing the displacement already underway. Technology sector. Roles in software testing, basic coding, IT support, and technical documentation are highly susceptible to AI automation. Finance and banking. AI is rapidly taking over roles in accounting, financial analysis, auditing, and insurance underwriting. Human resources. Key HR functions such as recruiting, benefits administration, onboarding, and basic employee relations are increasingly being automated. Customer support. AI-powered chatbots and automated systems are leading to significant reductions in call center and basic service representative roles. Looking ahead to 2026, these sectors are forecast to experience the steepest declines in human employment as AI capabilities continue to advance rapidly. AI strengths that threaten jobs. High-volume data processing at superhuman speeds. Executing rule-based tasks with perfect consistency. Information retrieval and management across vast databases. Pattern recognition in complex datasets. Generating standardized content and communications. Example: AI completes data entry tasks with 99.6% accuracy at 5x human speed while working 24/7 without breaks. Jobs built around predictable, repetitive, scripted functions are most vulnerable to immediate replacement. Unprecedented speed. Job losses are happening quarterly, not gradually over decades as with previous technological shifts. White-collar vulnerability. Knowledge workers and professional roles face major risk, not just manufacturing or manual labor positions. Executive strategy. C-suite leaders actively implementing AI for workforce optimization as a primary cost-cutting measure. Historical automation affected primarily blue-collar jobs over decades. Today's AI revolution is targeting professional roles and happening at lightning speed. World Economic Forum report findings. 41% of employers globally expect to reduce headcount directly due to AI implementation within the next 24 months. Similar disruption patterns are emerging across Europe, Asia-Pacific, and Latin America, with knowledge work being automated regardless of geography. The displacement crisis transcends borders, affecting developed and developing economies alike. Countries with strong service sectors and large administrative workforces are particularly vulnerable to rapid AI-driven job losses. Healthcare. Nurses, doctors, and therapists, roles requiring complex, emotionally intelligent care that AI cannot replicate. Education. Teachers, counselors, and school leaders who blend knowledge with mentorship and personalized guidance. Creative fields. Artists, musicians, and writers who produce original work with unique emotional resonance and human insight. Personal services. Trainers, hairdressers, and chefs, roles requiring physical skills, personal connection, and adaptability. Nurse practitioners. Median wage, $120,680. Choreographers. Creative movement design. Physician's assistants. Complex patient care. These rapidly growing fields share key characteristics: high emotional intelligence requirements, creative or highly flexible work environments, and complex decision-making that AI struggles to replicate. Unpredictable environments. Work that occurs in constantly changing conditions requiring adaptation and flexibility. Complex decision-making. Roles requiring nuanced judgment across multiple uncertain variables and ambiguous situations. Emotional intelligence. Job centered on understanding, interpreting, and responding effectively to human emotions. Social skills. Positions requiring effective negotiation, persuasion, and the ability to build strong relationships and trust. Creative generation. Work producing truly original concepts, insights, and solutions not simply derived from existing patterns. These fundamentally human capabilities remain challenging for AI to replicate authentically, providing a buffer against automation, at least for the near future. Creative generation. Fostering original thought, artistic expression, and novel solutions that AI cannot authentically replicate. Complex problem solving. Applying nuanced judgment and abstract reasoning to navigate unique, ill-defined challenges. Emotional intelligence and social skills. Understanding and responding to human emotions, fostering trust, and enabling effective collaboration. Adaptability and continuous learning. Thriving in unpredictable environments by embracing new tools and committing to lifelong skill acquisition. The workforce of tomorrow will need this blend of distinctly human capabilities combined with technological fluency. Those who can leverage AI as a tool while contributing uniquely human value will thrive despite the displacement crisis. Upskill strategically. AI management and prompt engineering. Data analysis and interpretation. AI-human collaboration techniques. Pivot career focus. Creative and innovative fields. Roles requiring social intelligence. Positions with unpredictable environments. Develop learning habits. Continuous education pathways. Adaptability and resilience. Cross-disciplinary knowledge. Taking proactive steps now can help individuals position themselves on the right side of the AI revolution, focusing on areas where human capabilities remain essential. The crisis is now. AI is actively displacing workers today. This isn't a future concern but a present reality affecting millions. Dual reality. 1.4 million jobs at risk by 2026, but new roles will emerge requiring different skills and approaches. Path forward. Reskill, adapt, and focus on uniquely human value that AI cannot replicate. The truth is challenging but not hopeless. Those who understand this transformation and adapt accordingly will find opportunities even as traditional roles disappear. The question isn't whether AI will change your career, it's how you'll respond to ensure you remain valuable in an AI-integrated world.